So Volcano is a placemaking agency based in Copenhagen. We are boosting city life through engagement, culture, events, and talent academy, including youth into the planning process. So Volcano will be engaging with the local stakeholders. We are going to be organizing this process. We are going to be inviting them and deploying the different tools for engagement, collecting ideas, classifying them, transforming into specific strategies. And on that process, we are going to understand which tools are more relevant for which outcome, for which stage in the process, for which stakeholder, but also a very simple how to use them. So another part that Volcano will be doing is supporting the labs, creating the community events, integrating the different partners with their specific points of contribution. So converging different disciplines and converging people into sort of a shared agenda.